Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show how you can upload Google Slides from Google Drive account. All you need to do is on the left hand side of the screen you see create new notebook, click on it and scroll down, and under Google Drive you see Google Slides here. In the last video we have used Google Docs. Here you can click on Google Slides. And if you have Google Drive account configured, it will take you directly to Google Drive. So if you click on these options, you will find all the documents that you have in your Drive. So this is the Google slide that I would like to upload in Google NotebookLM. So I'm going to click on it and click on Insert, and it is going to upload the document in Google NotebookLM. See, the document is uploaded and we can communicate with the document. What details are mentioned in the notebook? Summarize it in few words. I'm going to hit enter and see how it goes. So this way you can upload the documents from Google Drive as well. You don't have to look for the information outside. So it says the notebooks in the sources provide various tips and instructions for making presentations that stick. So these are all the points that are covered in this source. Alright, I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.